I was working at an aerospace company painting plane parts, and I just kind of wanted something more. I started my aviation career, a Spartan School of Technology and Aeronautics. My last week of school, we had a career fair, and I came across the Horizon Air booth. I worked for Horizon Air for a little over 2 years, the Pathways program. It gave me the ability to come over to Alaska, and it was a really smooth transfer over. I've been working at the hangar here in Seattle for about 1.5 years. My favorite thing about working as a line maintenance technician is seeing our planes fly every day and come back safely. These planes fly hundreds of hours a week, and we make that possible every day, every night. We actually do a lot of our maintenance on graveyard shift, and if that's something that turns you off to a career like this, I say don't let it. Flight benefits are awesome, and you meet a lot of cool people. There's a lot of opportunity for growth, and there is a lot of other stations that you can bounce around to. I like working in the hangar because we get to do a lot of heavier maintenance that requires a crane or a teleplatform. We can take flight controls off of the aircraft and put them back on. Challenges, for me specifically, being a little smaller, I got little arms and a lot of the stuff is really heavy. A lot of the men will be like, oh, do you need help? And I'm like, no, I got this. Being a woman in this industry, it's really empowering to be an aircraft maintenance technician. We're all really excited to be here every day. This is like one of the coolest jobs ever.